Hello world. Ever been to that point in that point of your life where you get tired of this mess that you see on my screen? Icons everywhere, multiple Explorer windows open everywhere. Well, you're in the right place today. I have the solution for that, which is Directory Opus 12. I'll be doing a full review on Directory Opus 12, free of charge. I'm not affiliated or associated with YouTube or with Directory Opus developers. This is just a pro bono review, I would say. So first things first, let's get rid of this mess. Alright, and then definitely we have to clear these icons, like you'll be required to show off your wallpaper at some point. So let's get rid of this mess. Okay, this is how you launch Directory Opus. Mine is pre-installed. I won't waste time installing it again because it's already pre-installed. You just double click on the desktop. Okay, this is how it looks. Directory Opus. What is Directory Opus? Some may ask. Directory Opus is a file manager, but I would say a smart file manager according to my smart terms, of course. I have a high IQ like Elon Musk. Anyway, Directory Opus, I would say probably it's a cordial knot in the software world, in the sense that it solves all the redundancies associated with the stock Windows OS, with Windows 7, 8, 8.1, which sucked, and Windows 10. Or actually, I'll explain that later on in the video. What I mean by redundancies. Okay, and then first things first. What does it come with? What are the features of Directory Opus? Directory Opus, like a smart file manager, like I said, comes with a set of tools. First things first, let's just go to tools. Look at this. You can convert your images, you can run your scripts and see your file logs. You can convert images, no need to right click on many buttons like on an Explorer. You can PowerShell here, you can run your command prompt from here, as admin. Like on any directory, you don't need to change directory ct dot. No, you don't need to do that. And then definitely comes the FTP tool. I usually use it to connect my stuff. And then you can edit Directory Opus, you can change the colors of everything, you can touch every part of Directory Opus. And then yeah, like I said, if you don't need to alt tab, there is actually tabs. You can open tabs. Just double click here to close the tab, double click here to open a tab, or double click here to close it, or you can right click, whatever you want. It's got many options, and even picking groups and everything associated. But I would like to say the holy grail of Directory Opus, I think, is the fact that you can actually back up and restore your list configuration, like so. I already configured mine. I'll show you later on in the video. So just back up, then you restore from a backup. Next, it will make you choose. Yeah, by default it backs up to the documents directory on Windows. My last config was on the 10th. Sorry, that should be the 19th. No, there's this one, the latest one. So just restore from this one. And then let it do its magic. Then you probably have to restart. And then these are my toolbars. This one is for this toolbar is for my software, and this one is for my games. And then still looks the same thing as before. It's just different colors. Okay, if you want to change these colors, just go to preferences, and then on preferences you go to colors, fonts, and everything. You can change your fonts, colors, transition animations, how your windows act when you close them and stuff. And then when you're done, just click OK. Then this is how it looks, and definitely it does come with an option of viewing thumbnails, different views actually. I'll choose thumbnails, and then you can adjust the size of your thumbnails, 64, 128, 256. I think that's the max. And then you can always go back to my default. I like using details. And then these are my drives and everything. You can show you the active window. Check the color here is white, and this one is red. That's the what? That's the default. Sorry, that's the active window right now. There's an option to lock lock your folders and everything, your system folders. And then yeah, basically that's Directory Opus. And then I like yeah, isn't you remember back in the day? Oh yeah, when we used to use DVDs. Let's say you want to burn a file that's bigger than 4.7 gig, limited to a DVD. You'd be required to split it. Then you have to download some fancy software to split the file and then join it later on. Directory Opus comes with the tool for joining and splitting files inbuilt. And then definitely, um, let's say I want to copy what. You can hold the up arrow, it gives you more options. Let's say I want to go to the desktop, and then actually hold it, which give you recent locations, this and that. Let's say I just want to copy this folder here. It's got a smart copy process manager. Look at this. It actually prompts you, do you want to replace all. It gives you many options per copy, and then I'll say replace all, and then it will present me with this. You can pause, you can skip this file, and it's unattended operation. Let's say there is the same file, it will give you many options of what to do. Let's say you're copying 1 terabyte overnight to another drive. You won't be required like Windows does. Windows is not smart. Those are one of the redundancies that I was talking about earlier on. It has got a smart copy process handler. You don't need to download third-party software like TerraCopy, this and that. You don't need to alt tab and alt that desktop. And anyway, it does show you hidden files. Let's say you have hidden files here on your drive, like here. It can show you hidden files. Just click here, it shows you the hidden files. And then yeah, this is a very handy software. And you can even right click here and run command prompt here. This is a very good software. And then you can resume, copy everything, abort if you want. Anyway, that's pretty much the nice part and the beautiful bits of Directory Opus. And then what else? This is the best software. You can open multiple tabs. You can swap. If I want this tab to be on the right, I can swap. And then if I want to change the list configuration, let's say actually the view layout, let's say I want it to be horizontal, I can just do this. It should be here. I can just do this. I can change. You can pretty much touch anything on Directory Opus. If you want it to view side by side, to vertical, and you want it to be like this, you can change it like that. Okay, if you want to change the view on Directory Opus and make it look, let's say you have a wide screen, say one of those 34-inch screens, those 34-inch wide displays, you probably go for this configuration, which is, as you see, is dual horizontal, or you can actually close this if you want. Like this is Directory Opus. There's no limitations like Explorer. You can also change to dual vertical if you want. Yeah, so pretty much there's a lot of stuff that would actually take the whole day to explain. And by the way, just like Windows Explorer, it does come with the viewer pane as well. There's actually hotkeys for this stuff, but I'm just too lazy to do it right now. Let's say I want to view this pane, just go to the viewer pane there. That's the icon there. It's got a viewer pane. It's got everything that you might think of. So, like I said, Directory Opus is probably one of the best softwares on earth. I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy it as much as I enjoy it.